there are factors to consider when opening a merchant services account. In this video, we will discuss these factors. This is Business Media TV. My name is Mimi, the Business Advisor. On this channel, we advise business owners on how to start, grow, and sustain their businesses. If you're new to this channel, we would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel so you can get more information about businesses. Watch to the end of this video for a bonus tip. Now, when it comes to merchant accounts, the first thing you need to consider, number one, is account setup or application fees. Some merchants service providers charge a one-time setup fee when you begin the service. Make sure you shop around to find out what suits your business. Number two, hardware or software needed. When your business accepts credit and debit card payments, you will need technology that can read your customer's credit card information and send it to your processor for approval or rejection. In the case of e-commerce, this technology is mostly software. For most brick and mortar businesses, this will be hardware needed, and these may be more expensive. Number three, PCI compliance fees. Your merchant account must comply with the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard (PCI DSS) security standards. This protects both you and your customers who, after all, are entrusting you with their credit card information. PCI compliance fees are a reasonable cost of doing business if your provider is doing PCI scans and taking other steps to protect your account and your customers' data, and if the fee is reasonable. Number four, discount rate. The percentage charged for every transaction processed. That's the definition. Okay, so you want to make sure you look out for that when it comes to your business. Number five, contracts, long-term versus month-to-month. Signing up for a merchant account typically locks you into a long-term contract, sometimes for 3 years or usually. Most contracts also include an automatic renewal clause that would extend your contract for an additional year if you don't take very specific steps to cancel it ahead of time. Depending on your needs, you may be better off looking for contracts that will allow you to sign up for an account on a month-to-month basis. To avoid long-term contract or early termination fee and liquidation damages clause. So look out for those when you're looking for a contract. If you've been getting value from this, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Number six, transaction fees. The amount charged for every credit card transaction. This will vary from provider to provider, so ask about this when you're shopping around. Number seven, address verification services. That's AVS fees. This fee is charged when your business utilizes the address verification service to check that the address provided by a cardholder matches the address on file with the credit card company. Number eight, ACH daily batch fees. A fee is charged when you settle your daily transactions, also known as the batch, with your credit card processor. If you have no credit card transactions to settle on a day, you should not be charged for this fee. And make sure you compare charges by different providers. Number nine, monthly fee. Monthly fee may be a separate fee just for using ACH, or ACH processing may be included as part of your monthly fee for a merchant account. You need to consider that too. Number 10, monthly minimum fee. In lieu of or in addition to a monthly fee, you may be charged a minimum processing fee for ACH. These are fees charged if your business doesn't meet the minimum required transactions. Again, ask these questions when you're talking to a potential provider. Number 11, early termination fees. Most of the traditional merchant account providers in the industry will sign you up for a long-term contract, typically 3 years, and we charge you an early termination fee ETF if you try to close your account early for any reason. Make sure you talk to them about this. The bonus tip is payment processing companies are alternative to traditional merchant services. Payment processing companies sometimes provide extra functionalities like accessories that let you use your phone to accept credit card payments. The fee categories that you need to consider will be similar to the merchant service account providers charge. So if you find a payment processor that you like, remember that you still need to connect it to a business checking account to receive payments. The question of the day is, what stood out for you as far as things you need to consider before opening a merchant services account? Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.